The venture was writing the book about Sharon. And obviously we opened this beautiful place, Sharon Sapienza Foundation, to keep her legacy going.
Spettaklu li jfakkar żifna klassika minn Spanja u l-vjaġġ tagħha tul 200 sena. Il-produzzjoni Mu-Danzas Boleras 1812-2012 se titla fuq il-palk tat-Teatru Manoel f'Ġunju li ġej b'interpretazzjonijiet mimlijin ħajja minn artisti internazzjonali.
We are a team of administrators and founders jien ir-raġel tiegħi, but unfortunately he passed away, and Caroline Mattox. She's quite a backbone to the foundation. But we have a nice team of administrators. This foundation started in September 2015, 13th September 2015. I'm insisting on 13th because it means a lot. I was hoping to write this book about Sharon, her life, and her artistic life, with all the connections in her life of dancers, musicians, everything. She did all her life. She had her own company. It was Il-produzzjoni Mu-Danzas, that's how she took all the artists abroad under her company. However, she had a festival she used to organize for a good 11 years. These are young upcoming dancers, musicians, singers, and she gives them the opportunity to perform all together. And they used to be the crème de la crème, I can tell you. Through Il-produzzjoni Mu-Danzas, she also created Mu-Danzas Boleras, this beautiful creation that is very interesting because it's a history of dance, Spanish dance. It starts from 1812, 2012. It starts with the war of Napoleon when he entered Cadiz. It carries on into a beautiful story to the present time. We'll get at the end beautiful dancing of contemporary dance. And this Mu-Danzas Boleras was premiered in Malaga in 2012, which was February. And then it was taken to Granada, 2 performances, and then to festival in Jerez, and then the Biennale in Sevilla at the Teatru Central. That was in November 2012. She was hoping to take it to UK. It was her dream before she passed away. Unfortunately, she passed away in February 2013, on the 13th of February. And she was already working with the Manoel Theatre. She wanted to get them to Malta. And the Manoel Theatre accepted, and after she passed away, they did it at the Manoel tribute to her in 2014, exactly a year after. Now we brought all the dancers to Malta from Madrid because Manoel Theatre gave us 2 slots, and we said, why not? This is her birthplace, so we going to get it to Malta. And here we go. The dates are 9th and 10th of June. Come one, come all. You just mustn't miss this show.